How to fix Roblox Error Code 2. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up your computer search and search for run. Right here, you will type this percentage local app data percentage, and you just want to click on OK. Now this is going to take us to the local folder. You just want to press R until you find Roblox. Then you want to right click and delete the Roblox folder here. It should delete temporary files. Now, the second thing that you have to do is find the Roblox player, right click on it, open file location. Then you want to find the Roblox player again, right click, show more options, properties, and go into the compatibility tab and check these three options. Compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. And the last fix that I can show you is to open up the browser which you use to access Roblox. Click on the three dots, then go into settings, then go into privacy and security. Then you want to choose third-party cookies, see all site data and permissions, and you want to search for Roblox here. Click on Roblox and you want to delete all of the cookies here for Roblox. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.